Good morning, children. Then again, with the same topic, I am present, advertisement. So by now, we have already learned 5 kinds of advertisement, classified advertisement I mean. Situation vacant, situation wanted, advertisement for sale or purchase, advertisement of to let, and advertisement for rent. So now, today I am going to start advertisement of educational institutions. So let's see the features of this advertisement. So the first feature is name of the institution. So children, if the course is being provided by any institution, then first of all, you will mention the name of institution. But sometimes what happens, a person starts a course in his or her house. Then you may mention the name or you may not mention the name of institution. Why? Because at last, in contact details, it's already mentioned. So you may mention the name of institution or you may not mention also. Second point is duration of course. Then duration of course. Duration of course means suppose you are going to take the course of computer or art or music. So for how many months this course will continue? For 2 months, for 3 months, or for 1 year, or for some weeks. So duration of the course you have to mention. Nature of course. Nature of course means type of course. Your institution, your organization is going to provide what kind of course? The course of computer learning, the course of fine art learning, the course of games and sports, or what? So you have to write the type of course. Next is mention the age group for whom the course is meant. Then age group means this course is being provided for what kind of students, for what kind of children, what will be their age. It may be for the children recently passed out class 12, or it may be for 25 years age group. It may be for the 25 to 30 years age group persons. So this way you have to mention age group. You also may mention for all age group. Last date for timings, course fee. Then timing of the course. You may mention separate timing for boys and girls. You may mention same timing. Suppose every day from 9 to 12 o'clock. Or 5 days a week from 6 to 9 o'clock. So this way you have to mention the timing. Course fee, last date for registration. Then what will be the fee? If there is concession for girls or for meritorious students who have passed the entrance test. So these things also you will have to mention. And then what will be the last date for their registration for admission in that institution. Contact details. So at last for every advertisement you have to write contact details. So let me repeat. So the first feature is name of the institution, which you can mention, which you cannot mention. Why? I have already told, because at last in contact details the name of institution is already given. Second thing is duration. Third is type of course. Fourth is timings. Fifth is qualification of tutors. Sixth, the course fee. And seventh, at last, the contact details. So these are all for the advertisement of educational institution. Let's see the question. You are starting a 3-month course in oil and glass painting at your residence 254 Navdurg, Ahmedabad. Draft an advertisement with all the relevant detail. And solution is also there. 3-month weekend course. Children, as you have already read in the features, that first of all you have to mention the institution's name. But here the writer has not mentioned the name of institution. Why? Because at last already in contact detail the name of the person who is starting this course is given. So the advertisement here has started with the duration. So what is the duration? 3-month weekend course. Your third feature is that type of course. So type of course is already given. Oil and glass painting. Then next feature is for age group. So here the writer has written for all age groups. You may write for the students who have passed class 10, for the children who are from 15 to 20 years age group. So this way you can write. Then tutors qualification. So here it is written training by experts. You may write training by well qualified tutors. All materials would be provided. Other facilities you can include as it is given here. Color will be provided, sketch pen will be provided, paper will be provided. So other facilities you will mention. Then classes for females from 9 to 12 noon. For males from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So here for males and females different timings are given. You may give the same timings also. Last day for registration 3rd July 2015. So at last you have to write the date of registration, last day of registration, and then for details contact. So you have seen that all the features which you have already discussed are given in this solved answer. So this way you can write your advertisement of educational institution. Now let's start the 6th advertisement. This is 5 you have 6 kinds of advertisement you have already read. This is 7th kind, and that is the advertisement of travels and tourism. So now let's see the features of this advertisement. So first feature is start with attractive package. So the very first thing when you are going to write this advertisement, then the first phrase will be attractive package. Then it is name of the travel agency. Then second is name of the travel agency. This you can mention or you cannot mention. Why? Because at last in contact detail it's already mentioned. Then point number 3 is mention the destination. Then the third important thing is destination. Means your agency provides the tour for which places, for which city, for how many cities. So destination you have to mention. Duration of the trip. What will be the duration of the trip? For 1 week, for 1 month, for 5 days. So duration of the trip also to be mentioned. Details of package. Breakfast and dinner inclusive at 3-star hotels, sightseeing included. Next is details of package. In the beginning only you have written start with attractive package. So what is this attractive package? So now here you will have to describe it in detail. What your package is. What does your package include? So here you can write lunch, dinner, breakfast will be provided. Then sightseeing will be also available. Accommodation will be in 3-star hotels or any 5-star hotels or any such kind very palatial hotels. So these things must be mentioned. Otherwise nobody will be attracted. If only it will be written attractive package. Attractive package must be opened. That what is in this attractive package. Price and any discounts if available. Then price for each person. Cost, expenses must be mentioned. And if your agency is providing any discount, it should be also included. And then at last, contact details. So once again, the salient features of travel and tours. So first one is name of the agency. First we have to start with attractive package. Then name of the agency. You may give, you may not give. Then number 3 is destination. Number 4, duration. Number 5, details of package. Number 6, price. And number 7, details of contact. Now let's see the question. You are operating Mehar Travels and are organizing a 15-day tour of the holy cities of North India. Draft an advertisement for the same. And here there is short answer. So first of all, you will give the title, which is Tours and Travels. Then as it's given in the feature that it should be started with attractive package. So here already it is written attractive package available. Then name of the agency to be mentioned, or I have already told that may not be mentioned also, because at last in contact details it is given. So it is not mentioned here. Then number 3 is destination. Destination means for which places. So it's already given for the holy cities of North India covering 5 states. So in the same way you can write for Darjeeling, you may write for hill stations. Then duration means for how many days. It's written here for 15 days. You may write for 1 week. You may write for 1 month. Then other facilities means details of the package. Description of the package means what the package is providing. So here it is given excellent travel facilities, breakfast and dinner inclusive, stay at 3-star hotels, In the place of 3-star hotels, you may write 5-star hotels. Sightseeing included. Then price. So here it is written 15,000 per person. In the same way, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, anything you can write. A special discount for the first 15 bookings. A special discount for the aged people. For the senior citizens, you may write. And at last, contact is already given. Meher Travels, name of the agency, in contact detail already given. That's why it is not included first. Meher Travels, Secretariat Road, Trivandrum. So here you have seen that how all the features which already are mentioned are given in this solved answer. So covering all the features, you may write any kind of advertisement relating to tours and travels. So children, today we have read two kinds of advertisement. First about educational institution and second about travels and tours. Hope you have followed. So you must watch the video and prepare. Thanks.